The U.S. has begun the first human trial for the vaccine. Are you optimistic about this?
I'm very optimistic about vaccines. There's many companies working at them. We understand the virus, its structure. We know where the weaknesses are in the virus. There are two particular areas that are targeted. We have medications that have worked against those areas. So while we're making the vaccine, which will take at least a year to make, and the reason for that is you can't make something that's not safe and effective and give it to hundreds of millions of people. So you really have to be buttoned up. But in the meantime, we have medications that are going to work quite nicely to slow the virus growth and deal with the complications if you start to die from the coronavirus. But most people won't. The vast majority of people are going to have very subtle symptoms. 80% will be a day or two of not feeling their best, and they're over it. It's the other 20% that we worry about.
The incubation period is closer to 2 weeks, so you could be walking around with it for a long time before you know you have it. How dangerous is that?
There's no way I can imagine this virus disappearing. It's an endemic virus now, which means it's growing everywhere. It's already in everything, so it'll never go away. SARS went away by itself without ever having a vaccine. We didn't need it because it couldn't survive. But this, because it's affected so many people, is going to cause an issue and will never disappear.